Food is fundamental in Dali's painting. Bread, meat and bones, bacon, seafood, fried eggs, beans, plums or grapes are elements that are continually repeated in his work.
The new surrealist age of the cannibalism of objects justifies this conclusion. Beauty will be edible or it will not exist.
In the aesthetic of the soft and hard forms, the fried eggs contrast with the bread in the same way as the soft clocks do with the rocks of Cadaqués. The egg symbolizes birth, but the fried eggs for Dali recalled his prenatal memories.
In the intra-uterine paradise, all pleasure, all enchantment for me was in my eyes. And the most splendid, the most striking vision was that of a pair of eggs fried in a pan. The eggs I saw before my birth were grandiose, phosphorescent, and very detailed in all the folds of their whites.